3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Hafner, and today we're going to be doing a question about pandas. So here's our table we have here. Okay, you can look at the table. You can pause the video. Now, perform these following tasks. We have to first calculate and print the average cost of the items, meaning the mean. Find the mean of the cost of the items. Then calculate and print the total quantity and the maximum cost. That's a bonus question. So first, what we do is import pandas as PD. Now, if you don't have pandas, you go to command prompt. Already share my screen. I'll share my whole entire screen. You go to command prompt, then you write there pip install numpy. So, import pandas as PD. Now, we have to make our data frame. Now, if you didn't see my video about data frame, okay, here you should be watching this carefully, okay? Yeah. What's that doing there? I don't know. Oh, great. Yeah. Oh, no. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but now, what we're going to be doing is, now, all we have to do is make a data frame. First is items. You put that in double quotes. Items, colon, these square brackets. After square bracket, next, we have to print the average, not the, then we have to put our items. Like, first is pen, I know. Pen, comma, pencil, comma, what else? Eraser, then scale. A scale. Yeah, scale. Yep, scale. Okay. Now, comma, we'll copy this and print that for our cost. So the cost, which I can't see. Okay, now for the cost. So pen costs $10, a pencil costs $5, eraser is $7, scale is a 15. Okay, next is here's what we do. We don't need this for now, and we put quantity. Okay? First, 20 pens, 50 pencils, 30 erasers, and 25 scales. Oh gosh, yeah. Space this out. That's where it's supposed to be. Okay. Now, this is just a dictionary. Now we have to make a data frame. So df equals to pd dot data frame, which is, now we have to make a data frame of data, and we'll make our data frame. Now first, we have to print the average cost of the items. So all we do, we can make here A, right, equals to df What am I doing? DF cost. So you have to first go with cost, with the cost. Then next we want average. Average means the mean. So mean. Then print A. Now B equals to. So okay. Print the total quantity. So DF 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 what else? DF quantity, and we want to find the sum, meaning we have to add it all. Sum. Print B. Projectile. Print B. Next. This is the bonus question. So C equals to max. No, C equals to, no, we already copied it. So C equals to, oh my God, C equals to DF of the maximum cost dot max. That's it. Print C. This is what it will do. Okay. So here's the average of the cost of the items. And then here is the total quantity, like adding all the quantities, 125. And 15 is the maximum cost, $15, which was a scale, okay? So that's it for the pandas, okay? So that was all for question. So thank everyone for listening about my video about pandas. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it.